In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Notion with a team for free. Notion can be used for team collaboration on the free plan as long as you understand the limits. You can create shared spaces, invite people, and work together on pages, but shared team content is limited to 1,000 blocks and file uploads are capped at 5 MBs. For many small teams, that is still plenty to get organized and start collaborating. Start by opening Notion and going to your home area. Once you are on the main Notion screen, move to the left sidebar where your workspaces and spaces are listed. In that sidebar, click through the team space area until you find the option to add a new one. Select New Team Space. Now you will see the team space setup screen. Here, follow the prompts on the screen and click through the highlighted fields. This is where you name the team space and confirm the basic settings. Keep the name simple so your team can recognize it quickly in the sidebar. When you are ready, click Create Team Space to finish. After it is created, return to the left sidebar and click your new team space to open it. You may need to click it again to fully expand and enter the space, depending on how your sidebar is collapsed. Once you are inside, open the page you want your team to use. In this example, you would click into a page like Sales CRM, but the same sharing process works for any page in that team space. With the page open, go to the top right and click Share. A sharing panel will open where you can control access. Click the access setting, such as full access, and make sure it matches the level of editing you want others to have. Full access is best when teammates need to edit databases, update tasks, and add new content. Next, in the same Share panel, click Copy Link. This copies a shareable link to the page so you can send it to your team through your usual communication tool. Remind your teammates that if they cannot access the page, they may need to be added to the workspace, or you may need to adjust the share settings. That covers everything you need to know.